I'm Liz, the Splitsy DIY, and today we're spending another episode with REPTAR, my PC build. Now, if you missed episode 1, 2, and 3 of the REPTAR PC upgrade, where we built inside this lovely Phanteks P400 case, I recommend you check out the cards. They'll be listed above me. Now, the reason why we're back with REPTAR today, other than the fact that it is the sexiest PC to ever be built, is I've been getting a lot of questions in various platforms about how to hook up this LED here. Now, one of the features of the Phanteks P400 case is a built-in LED light at the bottom front that you can adjust the colors on. And now, there wasn't a lot of documentation for this case. I will throw that dig at Phanteks. So it's not very clear how you hook it up, how you get the power there. So this video is going to show you how to get the power to that LED. Okay, so to connect up this LED right here, you're going to use a SATA power cable. The same type of SATA power that you use for hard drives, and that is located right up here in this bundle. Here it is. I'm going to unplug it to show you. So it's going to hang out here, and it looks like this. See, it's coming out here right from the front. You're probably going to find it in the bundle with all your I/O cables, and it looks just like this. Looks just like something that goes into a hard drive, and then you can attach it to any SATA power cable. If you notice, I have it on a daisy-chained one that's going to my hard drive, my other hard drive, and that's going into my power supply. So you just plug it in, snaps right in, and then you're all set. And that is how you connect up this bottom LED. And if you get other, what is this rating? 12 volt strips. If you get other 12 volt LED lighting strips for your case, you can daisy chain them. And I believe if you get the Phanteks ones, you can actually have it so that the color is controlled by this button up here. Let's talk about the I/O real quick, just so you can see how to change the color. Okay, so now that we've got that front LED hooked up, you can see we'll press the power button. That the power button is now purple, and the bottom light here is also purple. I've tried to put some white paper here so you can better see the colors. But let's say that you want to change color. You don't want purple. I don't know why you wouldn't. But there is a button right here. Has a little like sun icon, and you press it, and it changes. So try a little experiment here. You'll notice the shot looks a little bit weird. Like, put my hand here, I look mad red. What I did was I got the white LED on the case on, and I white balanced to that LED. I'm curious if we're going to get truer colors now. So we're starting with white. I've also lowered the ISO a ton too. Okay, so I currently have all 3 panels off REPTAR. We're going to take a tour of how that front LED is hooked up. So how does this whole thing work? How does it get wired up? Well, the most obvious when we take out the front panel is we see the LED strip here. And it has a cable that goes through the case. And here we see the cable continuing up the side of the case. It's really nicely routed actually, and it comes that way, so thank you, Phanteks. Then we reach the top. And it circles around into this mess. Now, part of this is also because I've done my own cable management, but we see this 4-pin header. That's where it terminates. So it's connected to a daisy-chained header, and as you can see over here, there's another 4-pin header. So, whereas all of these kind of seem to be coming from the same spot, than here. So let's go inside the case. So we see it all comes out that hole right there to those white headers and what looks like kind of a circuit board situation. So there's a header here with a cable. It's going up. That's for the button. And the button is what's controlling the colors. There's some code or some sort of multiplexer in there that's going through the color array. And because it has 4 pins, they're assignable, so that's why the LEDs can change color. So those 2 white 4-pin headers are each going to, one's going to the LED strip in the front, and the other one's going to the LED on top for the power button. And now that SATA power cable, you're probably thinking, where's that coming from? That's coming from up here, where the button circuit is. So that's what's giving the whole thing power. So basically, this is like a little mini microcontroller, and that's why the power is coming out of that and everything. And so the LEDs are plugged into it as opposed to the power going directly to the LEDs. Alright, so it's been another episode of Blitz DIY. If you liked it, toss me a like. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Find me on Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram for all the behind the scenes nonsense. Till next time, it's been Blitz DIY.